Every week, I'm going to be giving you some top tips to help you summarize the grammar points that you're learning every week. So let's have a look at this week's top tips. Top tip number 1 and number 2, they go hand in hand. When you're learning new vocabulary in Spanish, if the meaning refers to a male sex, then we are talking about masculine word, and if we are referring to if the meaning of the word refers to the feminine sex, we are likely to be talking about a feminine word. As such, we have words like el niño, the boy, so that word will be masculine, or la niña would be feminine because it's referring to the female sex. Top tip number 3. So Spanish nouns and adjectives can only have one or the other gender. They can never be both. It's very, very unlikely. There's only like a handful of words that do that, but most of the words in Spanish only have one gender. So for example, on the screen we have el gato negro, so the black cat. That will be a male cat we are talking about. And also notice on these examples how the adjective, again, needs to match with the gender of the noun. El gato is singular masculine, and therefore the adjective ends in O, el gato negro. La camisa blanca, the white shirt. El hotel caro, the expensive hotel. La radio barata, the cheap radio. El autobús nuevo, the new bus. La moto vieja, the old motorbike. El pantalón largo, the long pair of trousers. And la falda corta, the short skirt. Let's have a look at top tip number 4. I would recommend you that every time you learn a new word in Spanish, a new noun, because of all the information that we've learned in this lesson, that you learn it with the definite article. So you are sure that moving forward, you do remember what the gender of the noun is. And also, top tip number 5 is in the Spanish language, there are loads of patterns. So let's have a look at how else we can identify words that are masculine and words that are feminine, in addition to the 90% rule of words ending in O and words ending in A. If you come across words that end in or, age, an, ema, oma, or uma, they are going to be masculine. For example, we have el amor, el coraje, el pan, el sistema, el idioma, el trauma. So those words, the meaning is the love, the courage, the bread, the system, the language, and the trauma. All the words that are also masculine in Spanish are the colors. So all the colors, the red, the black, el rojo, el negro, all of them are masculine. The numbers are also masculine. The weekdays are masculine, Monday and Friday, el lunes, el viernes. And the names of oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers are all masculine in Spanish. So that's the reason we say, for example, el Mediterráneo, referring to the Mediterranean Sea. Another pattern that we can find with feminine words is not just the rule of words ending in A, but if you find words ending in ción, sion, de, umbre, or ie, all the words are going to be feminine as well. And as such, we have la condición, la precisión, la amistad, la costumbre, la serie. So the meaning of those words is the condition, the precision, the friendship, the habit, and the series. Also, in Spanish, the names of the islands all over the world, they are going to be feminine, and that's why when we refer to the Canary Islands, for example, we call them Las Canarias. The names of companies, they are all feminine, and that's why we say La Ford or La Virgin. And the names of the letters are also feminine. So you can add this to the information that you've learned before in the lesson today, and know that all these words are either masculine and feminine depending on their endings.